Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about Niram. This is a plugin for Figma. It can generate shadcn design system for your Figma files. So the problem I had was when I am developing, I use shadcn design system everywhere. So for websites, web apps, anything, I use shadcn design system. But for designing, it is not very easily usable because I have to go to Figma community and either clone a file to start with, or I'm not the file is not in sync with latest shadcn components and everything. So it was very hard to get the exact design system in Figma. So I created this plugin. So with this, you can enter a shadcn preset code, which you can get from the website, and it will generate all the components, all the blocks, all the charts, everything, even sidebar components, dashboard, even the latest chat widgets, components, everything. So everything, it will be generated automatically, and you can even change the presets. If you are not satisfied with this, you can easily change the preset and it will update everything, even variables. So if you go to Figma variables, this has shadcn theme, which is easily interchangeable and which has everything. So from radius to all the colors, and it has also all the colors of tailwind, so which shadcn is based on. So tailwind, all colors are there, and even primitives, tailwind primitives, radius, border width, opacity, blurs, everything, font sizes, everything is there. So these variables are allocated here. So everything you see is either a style or a variable here. So even opacity, blurs, backdrops, everything, even fonts. So if you click on a font, it will have font heading or either font heading or font text. So font sans, so it can be easily interchanged anywhere. And especially for all the components, we have the basic components like buttons, badges. These components are fully in sync with shadcn attributes. So variant, size, state, label, everything, you can change all the attributes based on what you want, and what is available in shadcn. So this plugin will always be in sync with the latest shadcn code. So any new components added will be added here quickly, and it already has all the components that are available in shadcn, including things like latest a message components and all the sidebar components. So if you see here, it has all the sidebar components and all the chat components, chart, everything. So it is a full package. You can go ahead, use it. It's fully free and it's open source. And this also has icons. So here I have set huge icons, and the huge icons will be shown. So whichever icon packs you will set, the basic set will be added here. So yeah, it's fully free. You can go ahead, use it, and this also ships with some styles, some avatars for you to use in your designs, and shadows in a shadow, blur, backdrop, everything. So it's the full package. Any landing page I make, any web app I make, this is what I use. And I didn't have any need to go to anything else apart from this. And if I had the need, I'll probably add it to this Niram Figma plugin. So yeah, go ahead, try it out, and let me know what you think. And if there are any feature requests, if you want to add something, if you want to fix some issues, just let me know, and I'll do that. So yeah, thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.